guys, today we're making everybody's favorite, banana fritters. In a bowl, combine your flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg and baking powder. Mix well and set aside. In a separate bowl, smush your bananas, add your eggs and vanilla and beat well using a fork. Then combine this wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix to form a smooth batter. Drop little bits of this batter into hot oil and fry till golden brown, remembering to turn as often as you need to get even color. Drain on some paper towels, dust with some icing sugar, and enjoy.